Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at a new resource for medical students, the Medman.
Let's dive in. We all know medical knowledge can be super dense and just complex to master.
And it's tough connecting what you read with what you'll actually, practice.
So what if there was a solution designed to bridge that very gap in medical education?
Well, this is the Medman. It's a channel created to simplify your studies and make them engaging.
And that's its core mission, right? To connect theory with what you'll actually see in clinics. Okay, so how does it all work? Let's break down the methods they're using here.
You've got your core subjects covered: pharmacology, pathology, the works. Plus, some really cool extras.
And here's their method. It's a 4-step process, all designed to make the info actually stick.
It's all about turning that dense stuff into lessons you can actually remember and, use.
All right, so who is this really built for? Let's see who they're targeting with this.
It's tailored for pretty much everyone. Med students, people prepping for boards, even current professionals.
The whole point is to give you reliable content no matter where you are on your path. So with the Medman, it's not just about making sense of medicine, it's about making it stick.
So the real question is, are you ready to master medicine one concept at a time?